This is the first time they eating off my hand, and this is all thanks to this food, millet. We rescued these birds. They were outside a neighbor's property, just sitting and trying to survive on this gold. And then my kids saw that, and then we took them home. This is our first pet ever. And then after searching online how to make them friend, I find out that the millet can help, and I think it does. This is already a month they are in my house, and they're still scared. These buggies are still scared of us, but maybe this food can help us. I like the quality of this millet, and they are so many inside the package. So at least for a couple months, because we should breed them once in a week. So it's good for a couple months, maybe 3 months. I will buy this product, and I do recommend this product to everyone.
Hello. So by the time I've actually used all these, my bird actually ate them all. But I guess as proof, it's hard to see, but all those little twigs in there, that is the bird treats that I got. So basically, my little lovebird right here, Petey. Hi, Petey. He does enjoy these. I'm sure it's really viable for many other birds as well, but as far as I know, lovebirds love it. But overall, he immediately goes to it, and he perks up and gets up, and it helps with the boredom and everything. But it's nice to get it on their good side, feeding it to them manually sometimes. But overall, I would recommend it. The price is not bad, so getting a month plan is not really going to break your bank, and it's like only going to come in at once a month or so, depending on the quantity. So it's relatively cheap, so I'd recommend it. Thank you.
You're so hungry, poor little things. Such hungry little fellas.
This is my package, and there's all opened and broken with a bunch of pieces everywhere. Wow.
Nothing but bits and pieces. Worst product I've gotten from them.